In this video, I'm going to talk about how to calibrate the scale. For calibrating the scale, we need 2 points. The first point, we will zero out the scale using the right bottom on the scale's meter. You're holding the bottom on the scale for 3 seconds, then menus are going to be appeared. Using the bottoms on top on the bottom part, you can navigate to the menu that you will use for calibration. This is the menu that you need for calibration. Using the right bottom, you can move into the calibration steps. As I mentioned, at first we are zeroing out the scale. Clicking on the set 0, it will ask to empty everything that is on the scale's plate. Clicking on that, and the scale is now zero out. Moving forward, we will gonna set the spans for the scales and going through the calibration.